Hello guys, welcome to Healthy Lifestyle Zones. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel, hit a bell icon, and never miss an updates. A healthy diet is only one part of the struggle. Eating on a set schedule is just as important, if not more so. You should be aware that eating too little or too much can leave gaps in your day, slow down your metabolism, and lead to unexpected cravings. It's important that we eat enough food to be energized and perform at our best throughout the day. It's essential to consume consistent, routine meals every single day. Generally, it's crucial to eat every 3 to 4 hours. Some people might like to eat 4 or 5 little meals throughout the day, while others would stick to 3. Even though everyone's timetable will be different, skipping meals is still not a good idea. Plan for quick or simple to prepare meals to make it simpler to stick to your eating schedule. Individual yogurts, fruit, almonds, hard-boiled eggs, cheese sticks, and protein shakes are quick and simple to eat on. If you find this useful, give a thumbs up and share this to your friends who need this, and many useful videos are on the way, so stay tuned.